Are you looking for the best folding table? In this video we will show you the 5 best folding table. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Let's dive in. Number 1. FoldWise Upgraded Folding TV Tray Table. Extra large and sturdy laptop table for couch, height and angle adjustable desk for dinner, work and TV, includes footrest, cup holder, iPad holder and edge stopper. Brand FoldWise. Product dimensions 18-inch DX24 WX30H. Item weight 11 pounds. Maximum weight recommendation 35 pounds. Frame material stainless steel. Tired of uncomfortable tables? This sturdy, foldable couch table for laptop offers extra workspace, 15, custom heights and angles combination. Space-saving couch table tray designed for a comfortable working, studying, eating experience and relieve neck pain. Optimal design and features. Includes detachable edge stopper device, cup holder, iPad holder, posture improving footrest with circular bumps which simulate a massage and reduce leg pressure. 5. Quick adjustable table heights from 22-inch to 30 and 3 tilt angles. Premium materials, high quality solid engineered wood, laptop table top edge is protected with smooth PVC. Strong steel made body ensures stability and durability, easily holding 35 pounds while being simple to fold and assemble without needing any tools. Multipurpose desk perfect for long working hours, studying, dining, gaming or leisure activities anywhere comfortably. Ideal for small spaces, serving as an adjustable TV dinner table, computer table for couch, and chair table. Easily collapsible and stored under your bed or sofa. Universal comfort computer table engineered for universal comfort across ages, with 5 adjustable heights and 3 angle adjustments. The adaptive design ensures maximum comfort when used on the bed, sofa, or chair, built to meet the needs of all, from the young to the elderly. Number 2. Amazon Basics Portable TV Dinner, 4-pack rectangular folding tray table with storage rack, black, 15 inches by 19 inches by 26 inches. Brand Amazon Basics. Product dimensions 15-inch DX19 WX26H. Item weight 13.23 kilograms. Maximum weight recommendation 35 pounds. Frame material wood. For folding trays in black with matching rack for storing. Easily folds open into a stable position, folds flat for easy portability and space-saving storage. Use as a TV dinner tray, small desk or workstation, or as a playtime space for drawing, hobbies, and more. Sturdy wood construction with wide rectangular shaped tabletop surface. Product dimensions, 15 by 19 by 26 inches. Number 3. LORYERGO TV Tray, TV Table. Folding table trays, W/6 height and 3 tilt angle, with cup holder, dinner tray for eating on couch, laptop, bed and couch. Brand LORYERGO. Material plastic. Product dimensions 20.4-inch DX15 WX28H. Color black. Special feature foldable, cup holder, adjustable angle, adjustable height, easy assembly, space saving. Multipurpose TV tray. This folding table can be used as a TV dinner tray, a convenient workstation for working or reading, or a study table for children. The TV tray measures 20.4 inches wide by 15.5 inches deep. Features a 3-inch cup holder for standard cup sizes. Enhanced stability. To make the TV tray more stable, a crossbar has been added between the legs at the bottom, improving the sturdiness of the frame. Adjustable height and angle. The height of the TV tray can be adjusted to 6 settings between 20.4 and 28 inches tall. Choose from 3 tilt angles including horizontal, tilted 30 degrees up or tilted 23 degrees down for the most comfortable position. Easy assembly TV tray table. Instruction manual and hardware is included for easy installation. Allen key tool is included to tighten bolts. No additional tools are required for assembly. Save space. After removing the bottom stabilizing rod, can fold the TV tray flat and store it under a bed or sofa. Unit measures 2.1 inch when collapsed flat for storage. The table surface is smooth and easy to clean. Number 4. Tatub Folding TV Tray Table. Set of 2, 24-inch wide C-shaped end table for couches, small sofa-side laptop desk with metal frame for living room, bedroom, brown. Brand Tatub. Product dimensions 23.6-inch dx 14.6 wx 27.6h. Item weight 10 pounds. Maximum weight recommendation 30 pounds. Frame material metal. Versatile use across any room, great for small spaces. This folding C-shaped end table set of 2 serves as a dinner table, couch table, TV tray, bedside table, or laptop table, bringing convenience to any room. Effortless couch companion. Slide the foldable TV tray table under sofas or beds with its low frame. The 27.6-inch high tabletop keeps snacks, remotes, and devices within easy reach. Easy to fold and store, folds effortlessly for compact storage and portability, includes adjustable feet for stable use on uneven floors without scratching. Sturdy and secure, solid metal frame and robust MDF top support up to 30 pounds, C-shaped base ensures stability, preventing tipping. Hassle-free setup, includes screwdriver and clear instructions for easy 15-minute assembly, a thoughtful gift for family and friends. Number 5. Sorfey Folding Table 6-foot x 30-inch, white plastic. Brand Sorfey. Product dimensions 70.9-inch dx 29.5 wx 29.1h. Color white. Maximum weight recommendation 330 pounds. Frame material plastic. Use it for parties and dinners, then fold this plastic table up and take it anywhere you need extra seating, additional serving space, or tabletop display ability. 6-foot table great for holiday dinners, parties, picnics, BBQs, backyard events, camping, pop-ups, craft fairs. Product dimensions, unfolded, 70.9-inch length x 29.5 width x 29.1 height, folded, 36.2 length x 29.5 width x 3 height. TO fold up and down, simply yet classic. Our tall portable tables are folding party tables that complement any decor at your venue of choice. No tablecloth or covering necessary. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.